Good day, I am Mom Daisy, and in this video, let us learn how to multiply rational algebraic expressions. After viewing this video, you will be able to multiply rational algebraic expressions.
Let us start with multiplying rational algebraic expression. So in multiplying rational algebraic expression, we are going to multiply first the numerator, then divide it by the product of the denominators where b and d are not equal to 0. In symbol, it is written as this. So kailangan anay in multiplying the rational algebraic expression, i-multiply ta ang numerators. Then i-multiply taman ang denominators, then i-divide ta sila. Let's have our first example. Let's multiply 4a squared b all over 3bc with 27b squared c cubed all over 16a raised to the 4th power. So, ang step 1 ta is always to do the prime factorization and to cancel out terms. So, our numerators can be factored as this and our denominators can be factored as this. Then, i-cancel ta ang mga common nga term and we will be left with 2 times times b times c. And here, we will be left sa denominator ta ng 3 times b times a times a. So, we are going to simplify now. 3 times 3 can be written as 9. And c times c is equal to c squared. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And a times a is equal to a squared. Thus, we will get 9bc squared all over 4a squared. And that is our final answer. Let us proceed with our second example. Let's try to find the product of the given. 3x plus 6 all over x squared minus 9 and 5x minus 15 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So let's start with the factors of our numerators and denominators. And our numerators and denominators can be factored as this. So ang factors ng 3x plus 6 is 3 times x plus 2. Ang factor naman sang 5x minus 15 mo is 5 times x minus 3. Tapos ang factor sang x squared minus 9 is x plus 3 times x minus 3. And ang factors ng aton x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 3 times x plus 2. So, ara na ang aton nga factor. Next, we are going to cancel the common terms. So, anong mga common terms nila? We have x plus 2 sa numerator diri, kag diri sa denominator. And then we can also cancel our x minus 3. Kay may ara siya sa numerator kag sa denominator. So, i-cancel ta na sila nga duwa. And then, we are going to simplify. So, ang bilin di sa aton is 3 times 5 times x plus 3 times x plus 3. Pero pwede ta pag ina ma-simplify because 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And x plus 3 times x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. So that is our final answer. Let us try your own understanding on how to multiply our rational algebraic expression. So on your own, please find the product of 5n over 8 and 4 over 3n squared. So this is the solution. So ma-factor kita anay. And then, after factor, we will cancel out the terms. Ano ang mga common terms nila? We have n. Pwede ito siya ma-cancel. And then we have 2 squared in the numerator and the denominator. So we can cancel those. After that, ano gani ang next step? Yes, we are going to write and simplify the answer. So, ang bilin na lang di sa numerator ta is 5. Ang sa denominator ta is 2 times 3n. Can we still simplify it? Yes, we can. So, ang aton final answer will be 5 divided by 3 times 2 is equal to 6n. So, that is our final answer. I hope naka-warm up na kita sa finding the product of our rational algebraic expressions. Let's go to the second drill. So try to find the product of 8x all over 21y cubed and 7y squared all over 16x cubed. Please pause the video if you need more time. And once na-simplify mo na ang imong answer, you play the video and let's compare our answer. Let's check. So the solution is, kailangan mo anay i-factor ang aton nga numerator kag ang denominator. So our 8x can be factored as 2 times 2 times 2 times x, while our 7y squared can be factored as 7 times y times y. Ang ato naman 21y cubed can be factored as 7 times 3 times y times y times y, and our 16x cubed can be factored as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x times x. From that, we can already identify kung ano ang pwede ta i-cancel out. So, pwede ta i-cancel out ang 2 and another 2 and another 2. Ang x, pwede taman siya ma-cancel out kay may ara siya sa denominator. Si 7 may ara sa numerator kag denominator, so we can cancel that out. May common man tanga y both in numerator and denominator. So, this is what is left. You might be asking, Ma'am, naubos na ang ating numerator. So, what value are we going to put there? Simply 1. Okay, so 1 lang siya. And then, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. X times x is equal to x squared and y. So, the final answer will be 1 from the numerator divided by 3 times 2 is equal to 6. X times x is equal to x squared and y. Copy lang. So, the final answer will be this. It's now time to test your own understanding. So this time, you can pause the video. I am going to present first our given. So these are our given. Try to multiply the given and simplify the result. After you're done with your process, you can play the video again and compare your answer. So the product of our 3x to the 5th and y squared all over 8xy times 6xy squared all over 9x cubed y is x squared y squared over 4. So, if you got the correct answer, congratulations! That means nga, naano mo na gid, master mo na gid amat-amat ang aton nga multiplying the rational algebraic expression. But if not, pause for a while, check, tanawa kung diin ka dampi nagsala so that you can apply it with the second given that we have. Okay, so kung okay na ang answer, let's proceed to our second expression. So the product of our second expression is x plus 3 all over x squared plus 5x. I hope that everyone got it correctly. So for those who got it correctly, congratulations. You can now proceed to the division or dividing the rational algebraic expression. But for those nga medyo alang-alang pa, take time. You go through or you go back the video and try to evaluate kung diin dampi ang sala mo so that you can avoid it and you can apply the changes so that you can proceed to the next process, which is the division of our rational algebraic expression. Are the references that I used for my presentation. Please feel free to search for it if you need more practices